On the move for game number 47. We move from Chennai to the city that could well be its cousin in terms of weather. We are in hot and humid Kolkata. It's a ground that produces a lot of runs and yet generates very close finishes. 3 last ball finishes out of 5. Hopefully the ground's going to give the bowler some self-respect today. This is how these two teams line up. The Kolkata Knight Riders riding high on number 2, but a little stumble recently. Up against the Delhi Capitals, who like a distance runner are sprinting round the bend to the finish line with 4 wins out of 5. Once again, a big crowd. It's incredible how Kolkata, just with such a massive stadium, keeps bringing the faithful back in. It'll be all a little bit of swing, a little bit of cover drive, a little bit of boundary, straight away first ball. He is looking to get a little bit of swing. Did get a little bit of swing, but he was in control. Long leg was at 45, and did it just behind square. And the run fest had swing again, but he's got everything covered today. Just a hint of swing, but Prithvi Shaw doesn't mind it at all. Happy to chase, and that's because they're going up in appeal, they're going up in appeal. Everybody's appealing, including backward point, and they've gone for the review straight away. Goes into his hitting arc, short, stood up. Fraser McGurk deposits the ball where he normally deposits it, and Angel One super. Nice, easy, because third was inside the circle, and he got the width.
What he's doing, Fraser McGurk, is he's now moving away just that little bit.
With a fielder there, as he misjudged it, he completes the catch eventually. Just goes low. It's a very, very good catch by Venkatesh Iyer. The batter will throw his head back and walk. That is some shot. That is some shot. How late did he get into that shot? How close was the ball to him? Oh, lovely. This is the one that's gone the other way. Well bowled by Varona. Everything was angling in. This hits the deck and just goes away. This is outstanding bowling.
Some of the catches.
Picks the gap forward, was full and wide.
The big moment. Play. Great shot. Really good shot this. And we're starting to see this more and more from Rishabh Pant. He's just taking it to see it.
About the aggression has to be there.
Well, there you go. You're lucky for your team. Just come out to chat with us. And your team has got another wicket here.
That is needed for us, Sanjay.
Hits the gap beautifully. He's got a free pass now, isn't it? He's got a life that he would never get any other time in life. 4 just beats the man down to third. Was always going to be a tough chase. Goes again, and that's a better shot. Third was at about 45, was in control of that shot. Miscue again. Surely it's taken this time. He walks, he'll be away, he's made.
KKR gets. That's an outside edge. The sound was there, the dreaded finger goes up. And they got 3 wickets now in the middle phase. There is a wicket for Narayan. His first, alongside Grady. Bench goes into the vacant. Outside edge. Cultured from Kuldeep, and another boundary to him. What a good biggest match winner. Was an inside edge. KKR, they feel so, and so to the umpire. Will the review come? pops it over. So the plan almost worked for Stark, went short, took a little bit of that. No, says the umpire. Wide. Sweetly timed.
It was, it was. Will go very fine for a much welcome boundary. Gentle lob. The catch is taken. Harshit Rana put one down, but he gets the benefit. Will go for 4 valuable runs. A boundary after 2 overs. That no, says Andre Russell, because that ball has somehow bounded.
The KKR sitting in their second spot.
So KKR openers will be eager to get going. This run chase will be there. Runs to start. Account open, and it's a boundary.
Well, in their previous time,
Sounded good. Came off the meat of the bat, and it goes all the way for 6. So an angel one moment. Sweetly timed. My goodness. Just got his weight going into the ball with his hands. That blow on his leg. Yeah, rushed him. Narain just getting the placement right. The shot was on. The goods.
has had a huge role to play.
Pumped back past the bowler. That's an audacious stroke from Salt. And again, he's gone leg side. Another pace on delivery. Little too straight. And it was in the... Just enough elevation to clear the inner circle. And it's another 4 for Phil Salt.
Slow ball, picked it early. Just a swing of the arms for 4. It's a standard Sunil Narayan shot.
Something that...
Now we'll have to check the height on that too. It's travelled very quickly to the boundary. Nobody seems too interested. Fifth.
Understand why Akshar and a googly to a right hand, and this guy has been the best foreign batter. This starter IPL 2024. Ridiculously made on strike now.
Just too easy. There's only 2 fielders outside, remember? And at the moment, Salt is in 2 minds. Should I have to go there? Because his daughter... Right, will the fielder get there? The fielder will get there. Jake Fraser McGurk, the first bowler spin gets a wicket. Nice, gentle, delicate. 2, 3, 4. It gets into his arc. He doesn't mind going to the long side because he just hits the ball so far, it doesn't matter where the boundary is.
Gone. Akshar Patel strikes the arm ball. I know there's no nice. Now, where has that gone? Gone to third man. And that's going to be taken. Kuldeep Yadav takes a difficult catch.
Terrific sight for Indian cricket lovers. World cricket lovers, but to see,
Yeah, very short. In fact, see that he had to actually.
No. What will I do? Oh, finds the gap. That's a classy shot. Lovely use of the feet.
Now, is there a fielder there? Generally, there's no fielder over the rope. It's gone up. Is it up and over? Yes, it is.